Okay, you're welcome back. So as you can all see, my hair is permed after I've been grooming my hair since November last year. Yes, I said that in my last video. If you've not watched it, please do go and watch that video. So I've permed my hair now, as you can see. I went back to the previous relaxer and my hair is doing very well, but now I'm going to be going on a hair journey, and I'm not just going to be going on my own. So all the while I was grooming my hair, I wasn't using any other thing other than rice water and just protective styles of hair. So now I'm going to be going on a journey ever since I discovered fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds are spices, like you all know, and they have different health benefits. But the one I'm going to be concentrating on right now is the fact that they enhance hair thickness and also help to reduce breakages in your hair and all of that. That's what I've been experiencing ever since I used the bad relaxer. So I'm going to be sharing how I'm going to be using this on my hair. So there are different ways to use fenugreek seeds, and in the coming weeks, in the coming months, I'll be walking with you guys, showing you how I'm using it on my hair and how it's going to be helping me. Yeah. So to those that, my ladies out there, my people, women like me that are fond of using feminine wash, that kind of thing, it has a fizzy, those kind of things to wash your vagina. You're wrong. You are wrong, ma. Yes, because God made our reproductive organ to cleanse itself, and even when you're having your bath, just water is enough. Just ensure you wash your vulva very well and you're good to go. So it is wrong for you to use products that have chemicals in your vagina, like in washing your vagina. Reasons being that the vagina has very useful microorganisms that keep the place healthy, and if you use chemicals, you can actually eradicate and delete those useful microorganisms. This would leave your vagina susceptible to various kinds of infections, and then you find yourself treating this infection from there and here. So what is the message today? Sir, ma, husband, wife, ladies, men, you're buying gifts for your ladies or you're buying it yourself as a woman, please use water. Just water. I know that most times simple things do not make sense, but please make sense of this one today. Use just water to wash your vagina and keep the place safe and dry. Have your bath at least twice in a day and you are good to go. You don't need to use chemicals, or you don't need to use products containing chemicals to wash your vagina. And I can't tell you how many products are out there that do not contain chemicals. So I hope you get this message, and I hope you know that I care about you. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I am grateful. So if you liked this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you would share it, kindly share to your friends and your loved ones, and do not forget to subscribe on your way out. I remain Matilda Samuel, and what I do is to provide meaningful information, like correct, verified information on how to use your medications, which includes your drugs, beauty products, and natural spices in a healthy way, right? So that you remain safe on your drugs. That is my mission here, and if you feel like I am sent to you, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I'll be waiting to see comments as well. Thank you so much. Do have a beautiful week ahead. Bye.